Try back. Try right here, over here.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna turn them. Like I said, usually they fucking break. No, it's not turning. Not even turning. Son of a hole.
It's gonna strip.
There you go. Fucking go for it.
Oh man, that's really on there. Oh, I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm going forward with it. This one's smaller. Oof.
Kid.
I had no idea it was a thing.
Alright,
Oh, it wouldn't be turning over. Oh, there you go. Oh, it sounds good. See, the Bronco was doing the same thing. It needed me to give it a shit ton of fuel before it. All right, sounds good. Sounds good. All right.
remember, just the first time, fucking punch into the floor, then the second time, the brakes will be right there.
Yeah. Whew. Oh, fuck. No, that was good. They're right. I mean, they're there right now.
Good.
Those are very little brakes. Wow, man. Oh my god.
This thing is so much rougher than the Bronco.
That was brutal. A little, I mean, but what's not scary about this thing?
I thought you were gonna roll it over. Like, holy
We went down a little cooking. Well, I tried to get it in first and I don't think it took. So I went down in neutral.
fucking fast.
Yeah. I then like I thought I had it in gear, so I was just like, oh,
Go
send
your
it.
trail now. Right
Yeah,
now with
yeah,
this.
I know. All right,
Good.
well. Where is that fucking thing?
Hold on to your fucking ass.
It's bad.
Well, it's gonna be a bumpy fucking ride, I'll just say that. It seemed a lot shorter in the winter because we go so much faster through it.
Ooh, I can't even make that right now.
No, you wanna go that way.
I know, but like I'm saying, that fucking angle, like it turns so much less sharp now.
Oh, yeah,
now that I'm in, well, now that I'm in four-wheel drive.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wonder if you just like creep over.
That's what I'm doing, man. I'm just creeping. Creeping.
Creeping.
Ooh, this is actually pretty fucking sick, dude. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Come on, baby. All right. I just stalled. Not a big deal.
Wasn't giving her enough gas.
A little too much creep. Doesn't like to creep too much.
She ain't no V8, bro.
No. She don't like creeps. Nah, she likes creeps. She just needs to be warmed up for it first.
Oh, fuck. Warmed up for creeps.
Warmed up for creeps. Oh, the tree.
Don't go that way more.
All right. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oops.
This right here.
Oops. Yeah, man. We hit a tree.
Hit a couple trees.
Where you drove through this, Spencer?
Going through it.
I drove through here.
I'm just going through a stroll. So I can go just straight through.
Straight there.
Alright, there was a big old tree down, but I guess we got rid of it at some point or something.
This is right where I went.
Alright, I'm going. Oh yeah. Helps to have a good bumper.
Winding the trail.
Dude, get dick slapped by a tree.
Fucking love this vehicle.
You used to hate it.
I know, but that's when it was a pile of shit. We've worked on it.
Well, that's true.
It's been mine. Alright, I gotta decide where to go now. That's where it always becomes tricky at this part of the trail. You gotta, I know, but and then you gotta take a left.
Yeah, you can see like the light. That's the trail.
Oh my god.
That was tight on the four-wheeler.
Yeah. I think I should pop her into neutral for a second and let her eat.
Let her what?
Let her eat.
Give her some gas?
Yeah. Oh, fuck, she stalled. See? That's exactly what I was thinking. Because every time I tried to give her some, well, thus it was pretty brutal.
Yeah, she's cleared out.
Do we need to pop the thing open?
Oh, we're good to keep going.
The choke?
I don't know.
Do you want to mess with the choke?
No, let's go back and, you know, if
And then
it's
mess
still
with
running
it?
like this, they'll show us what to do.
Yeah. Ah, fuck, come on.
Just clear it out, you know, when you get it going.
Yeah.
Come on. Like,
Whose phone is this?
Oh, fuck, it's probably out of gas, dog.
we put gas in it last time. We didn't use it that much.
Oh. Alright, what's happening
Try
here?
it again.
Alright.
Alright, stop. I think you're right. It is out of gas, probably.
Yeah.
Alright. Which means we have to go on a little walk.
Don't forget your phone, Mike.
Oh, fell out of my pocket. Oh, I think he's coming to get us. Maybe.
Well, let's go get some gas. Walk the rest of the trail.
Yeah. There's so many blueberries over here. Oh, yeah. Love me a good red berry.
Blueberry. Dan, you seeing this, bro?
Oh my god. Yeah, come up here. Walk forward like 10 feet.
Oh, I see him.
Alright, let's go.
I bet we're kissing lips with a bear right now.
What?
With every wild blueberry we eat, I bet we're kissing lips with a bear.
Horrible.
Magically delicious. Oh, uh-oh, that's not. You probably, I don't know, man.
Don't laugh.
Yeah, this is probably not a good idea. Not good for the AT, right? Get her gassed up. All right. All right. Yeah, get over here, Dan. We have some tree goblins to take down.
Oh shit, that hurt. It just slaps you.
Oh yeah, I do.
Should have worn my sunglasses that are in your truck. they smell like pine.
Left, right?
Straight.
Straight?
Oh, wait. Yeah, left.
Oh, you're gonna hit that tree.
You got it.
Oh, I hit a tree. I've hit a tree. All right, I gotta go back, Spence.
Backing up.
Yeah, he hit a tree.
I hit a tree. Oh, fuck. And I stalled. That got me right in my eye. All right, get the fuck down. Just kind of shelter yourself. Oh my eye.
Your eyes.
I'm gonna look like I got in a fucking fight after this. I did, and it was with a fucking pine tree.
We're trying to fight your shadow, man. It doesn't really work.
Oh. Fuck. Oh my eye. I have to see where I'm going though. Oh. Woo! Woohoo! Oh.
It hurt.
Oh, eyes. Oh. My eyes.
Not too shabby.
Nope, wasn't too bad.
Where do you need me to move this to?
I'm trying to get it fucking. Trying to get it. Let's go.
When you first got that on, you were ripping shitty bad, dude. I was like right behind it. Well, not, you know, there's black smoke everywhere.
Yeah.
Right in my lungs.
Oh yeah.
Direct injection.
We need some dabs and shots. Just let me try this thing out. This is cheap.
Ugh. Fucking.
Are you trying to pull it?
Oh, you got a double clutch. That's right. You got a double clutch it like a race car. Oh, and now I'm in neutral, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, fuck, I stalled. That's too high.
Let me try.
I can't, dude. This thing will break. It's not easy. Like,
I'll do it, I promise.
I've broken it a few times.
I'll get it on my first try, I swear.
No, see, I'll let you try the four-wheeler. Four-wheeler will be fun. Well, because I broke this quite a few times to learn how to drive it. That's the thing. Spencer's broken it too. Oh, my eye. I just tried to clear off my fucking... Oh, my lap. Oh. Ah, why? Ah, you fucker. Whew. All right, so I made it through.
Somehow.
Absolute tank. Huh? It's a tank.
Oh, of course. So the brakes are good and everything?
Yeah.
Better?
Much better than they were, yeah. Whew. If we didn't run out of gas, it would have made it through the nature trail just fine. If we didn't run out of gas, it would have gone just fine.